Guys, meet my friend Garima. It took 4.5 hours to reach Jaipur from Agra. Firstly, we visited to City Palace because it's a very big property to see. This city palace has a museum where you can witness all the antiques and belongings of the royal family. You can find a perfect blend of Rajputana with Mughal and European style of architecture. This beautiful city palace represents the rich culture Jaipur still holds on to. The best time to visit City Palace is from late October to early March. You need a soothing temperature to travel outdoors, but Jaipur is a hot and dry city, and winter months of the year are not extremely hot, letting you roam around the city easily.
तो एरोमा थेरेपी में भी काम आता है। तो वो जो उस समय जब इत्र जो निकालते हैं उसका, तो वो जो ड्रग्स नहीं रहता। पर जो किसी की टेंशन होती है या मान लीजिए कोई वो माइंड का हेडेक वगैरह, उसके लिए उसका बहुत काम आता है। तो 2 बूंद जो लगाते हैं या नहाते हैं उससे, एक वो वाइट मस्क का जो बनाते हैं, ये अपने जो
The vast property represents the heritage of royal families of Jaipur. All this makes the entire palace a remarkable structure left behind by history. I must tell you guys, the royal family of Jaipur is still living in this palace. Now we are going to Amer Fort. This Amer Fort resides in the pink city of Jaipur, situated at the Chilka Tila, that is Hill of Eagles. Rajput ruler Maharaja Man Singh built this fort in 1952. This is the outside view from the fort. This fort is a pearl on the crown of Jaipur. Over 5,000 tourists visit the fort every day.
पहनते हैं ना अपन, इसकी है ये इतना बड़ा पीस। उसका रीज़न है, नीचे जो गांव है बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है जेम स्टोन्स का। एमरल्ड, रूबी, सफायर, कोरल, पर डायमंड, सही प्रकार के स्टोन्स मिलते हैं। कारण क्या, लेबर सबसे सस्ती है, टेक्निक सबसे बढ़िया है, कटिंग, पॉलिशिंग, फिनिशिंग। सेकेंड थिंग, पाम रीडिंग होती है। अगर आप में से कोई पाम रीडिंग कराना चाहे बिना 1 पैसा खर्च किए, इंक्लूडिंग इन दिस टिकट, आप करा सकते हैं। आपके मन में कोई जिज्ञासा हो, कुछ जानने की, कुछ पूछने की, तो आप अगर आप चाहें तो कर सकते हैं। बताएंगे आपको।
Movies like Jodha Akbar, Baji Rao Mastani, Khoobsurat, and many more were filmed at this Amer Fort. This fort is amazing. It's worth coming in Jaipur to see this place. The best hours to visit the fort is during the night from 7 pm to 9 pm, as you can enjoy the sound and light show with a fancy dinner at the restaurant. I didn't have much time, so I missed the fountain show. It's evening time and we are feeling hungry now. So we are planning to go to Masala Chowk, which is very a famous place in Jaipur for the street food. Now here comes the Masala Chowk. Many shops here were closed due to the night curfew in Jaipur, but the food was very delicious. The best aloo chaat I have ever had. And at night the same day we came to Chowki Dhani. next day we covered Jaigarh and Nagar Fort. This is the best place to witness the entire city of Jaipur. Nagar Fort creates the best aura to spend some time in silence. You must go here early in the morning and wait for the sunrise. Then we reached to Jaigarh Fort, which is located on the Chilka Tila and was used as a protection for the army fort. This fort has the Jaivana cannon, the world's largest cannon on the wheel. I hope guys you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Guys, subscribe to my channel for all the videos and click on the bell button so that you're notified whenever I post a new video.